Okay, just do a audio test.
Audio test. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Ah, that was quite good. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Natasha and I speak about everything LinkedIn, SMMA and entrepreneurship related on my channel. Now in today's video, I wanted to cover 3 hacks that you can use to outrank your competitors on LinkedIn. So hack number 1 is to have your profile set to public visibility. Now, all you need to do this is go into your settings and privacy tab and make sure that your profile is public to everyone, not just to connections and people that you're connected to on LinkedIn. The main reason for this is that a lot of people, whether they're recruiters, employers, somebody that's looking to potentially hire an agency, they're not always logged into LinkedIn when they search for help. So if you're not on public visibility, when people search you, your LinkedIn profile is not going to come up in Google search results. So go to settings and privacy, make sure your profile is public so it's switched on to everyone, so that if anybody is searching using Google and they're not logged in, you are still going to come up as a LinkedIn profile, and somebody else who maybe isn't even as qualified as you isn't going to come up and they're going to get the job or get hired instead. Hack number 2 is to find and use the best keywords. A lot of people, when it comes to LinkedIn, they know keywords are important, but they stop basically after the job title and the description in the about section. Now there's so much more to that on LinkedIn, and aside from having as many keywords as possible associated to your name, you need to make sure that you put them in as many places as possible and in a way that makes sense, because some people will just put keywords everywhere and it doesn't read correctly, and then it's just going to make you look unprofessional compared to if you actually take the time to choose the specific keywords that are going to help you with your goals on LinkedIn and actually help you get found by the right people. In terms of where else you can focus heavily on keywords, aside from the title, your about section and your skills, because obviously they're just individual words, 2-word skill sets that you can add in. One of the best places to do it is in your experience section. So for your experience section, you can add all of your previous employers, job roles that you've had, and aside from having the title of the position that you held at XYZ company or business, you can then describe what your job role within that entity was. Don't just attach the company, go into detail about what job role you were fulfilling, what skills you needed to actually carry out that job role in an everyday basis. And these words are still going to basically heavily help you rank your profile much higher than somebody else's who have only included, say, the same skill twice in their profile compared to yours, which it comes up 10 or 12. So it's basically strengthening the SEO of your name and your profile by using keywords to kind of lay those foundational bricks. Another trick for this, which I actually mentioned in my last video, which was on getting found by recruiters and how to land your dream job using LinkedIn, basically mainly for students, is to go and have a look at the job roles that you would want to be found for, read the descriptions, and then use that as a place to source your keywords from. Now you might think that this is only relevant for people that want to get found by recruiters, that just want to get hired. But even if you're an agency owner, an entrepreneur, you're a freelancer, you have some sort of service that you provide, or even consulting, there's still a lot of job postings that go up of people that are looking for a social media marketing manager. If they hire a social media marketing manager, it could still be more cost effective for them to go to an agency. But if you actually go and have a look at these job postings for people that are looking for social media marketing managers, etc., it's still going to give you an idea of what kind of keywords employers are searching when they're looking for a consultant or an expert, an agency, or somebody to hire for a specific job role of which you want to be found for. Hack number 3 is to be consistently active on LinkedIn. Now, the less active you are, the lower your name is going to appear in search rankings. So some people will create a profile, they'll think their job is done, they'll never touch it again. And whereas that might be good if it's just employers directly searching for your name, if you apply for a job and they want to know if you have a LinkedIn profile, they can kind of do some background digging, fair enough. But the best way to outrank other people if it comes to organic searches, so if someone isn't already aware of who you are, they're not searching for your name, but they're searching using keywords. If there's somebody who is posting, say, on a daily basis, or they're engaging with other people's content, their profile is going to rank much higher in the search results compared to yours. And another thing to note is that LinkedIn will only show you the first 1,000 results. Now, I don't know many people that would actually take the time to go past 1,000 results, but it's worth to note that if you are not filling out your profile completely, if you're not engaging with other people's content, if you're not posting, if not daily, at least like weekly posts. It doesn't have to be a long form article, a blog post. It can literally just be a couple lines based around your work or you engaging with somebody else. But just being consistently active is going to help you rank much higher and come on top of those other people who haven't taken the time to put in a little bit more effort with our LinkedIn. Another way in terms of content to expose your content and increase your visibility to way more people is to actually tag people in it. For example, obviously you can use the @ to tag somebody, and when you type in the @ and start typing in a name, it will show the different members that match what you're trying to search. A good way to actually get your engagement of the post up, which is also going to boost it, increase your visibility, is to tag people who you think the post may be relevant to, so that when they see that notification that you've tagged them in the post, they go to that post and they're more likely to like it, comment on it, or even share it if it's relevant to their network as well. That is everything that I wanted to cover in this video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you found it valuable, please let me know down in the comments below. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications if you do gain something from my videos and you want to be kept up to date when I'm posting. Anyway, if you made it this far, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.